Hi, do you know that listening with understanding is a special skill for every pianist? In this study, there are some special features that you should focus listening to. Listen to the interval of second, third, fourth, and fifth. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Listen to the sound and feel the distance of each of this interval. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Next, don't forget to explore on the articulations, playing the passage with very smooth legato, followed by staccato, followed by two-note slur, lastly, two-note slur and staccato. Enjoy your practice. Find this video useful? Try our full book and revolutionize your piano practice altogether. No more long hours of boring finger drill exercises, but just a carefully planned 10 minutes each day. How much more fun and effective your practice will be if you just try this book. Still not convinced? It's okay. Get your free worksheet first and see the improvement for yourself. Here is a practice video for you. Are you ready? Let's go!